Just on the street, heading east. You see a massive building on the right. It's falling apart. There's another building here on the left. Most likely at one point part of an Armenian home. It's in total disrepair. And you can take this street here, the 2-4 street. Takes you over more to Armenian section. Nice little walkway. The walls are about ready to fall apart. Wooden stairwells. Even this little section here. My favorite little spot. All those bricks stay up there. Lord knows. Beautiful little. All the brickwork. On the main street, take a right. Right there is the Avlabari metro stop. From this way north, or just going that way to the Trinity Church. Used to be all Armenian section up to the river. In this section you can see a lot of buildings that are kind of just falling apart. And amazing brickwork. Up here is a cafe on the right. Very good Armenian location. Even here you can see how some of the destruction in this area is someone's former home. The woodwork, floor falling through in the bottom. Amazing. It just sits here. Actually, on this street here, you see an old theater. It's actually a state-run theater, but it used to be an old Armenian theater. Here you have the metro stop. There. Up the street towards the right behind this bluish building is the Trinity. And on the street here, you can find this cafe here on the right is Armenian. And there's a store there on the left, Armenian store. It's an Armenian store. I think there's like Armenian sweets, maybe some meat products from Armenia, and different special blends, it says on the side. Right here it's some Georgian folk artists lived here from 1956 to 1963, trying to incorporate more of the Georgian cultural experience here. Just east of the building is all this destruction of these houses, this house, entryway. A hotel in between, but most likely these were structures from the Armenian church that lay dormant for the last 35 years, or they have gone bad. And here's like one structure there, kind of facing each other with rooms on both sides. Could have been people who came to set up to stay or to come towards the worship. Now they're all in destruction, kind of just falling apart on the streets here. This section, most likely a older Armenian house that's fallen in disrepair. Even up there, seeing that one house, the wooden balcony, all ready to fall off. Brick walls, brick's really well made, but they're going to fall off eventually. They're cracking. This is within a block of the other Armenian church.